Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew and remove the back panel to expose the compressor compartment and fan assembly. Carefully unplug the fan wiring harness. Remove the Phillips head screw securing the fan. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry the fan upward until it unclips from its mount. Then tilt and slide the old fan out of the compartment. Angle the new fan into position, ensuring it aligns with the mounting clips. Reconnect the fan wiring harness. Secure it with Phillips head screw. Reattach the back cover and fasten it with screws.